Today, the 39th ICAO Assembly has adopted an historic resolution that is putting together a system for the whole world, a global system applicable to everyone, to compensate the aviation carbon emission. It is the first time an industry is proposing to be regulated and has successfully convinced 190 states to adopt a system which is at the same time global, efficient, and clever. We are very proud in the aviation sector to be at the first row of all the industries in terms of climate change and fighting against carbon emissions. CORSIA is of course a key element that ensures the consistency of the whole system to ensure that we reach our target of being carbon neutral and to divide our emission by 2 in the coming 35 years. But it goes along with 3 other pillars: technology, infrastructure, operations. Altogether, it's a consistent system to ensure that the industry will stick to its commitment.